Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to look practical about MySQL Workbench and how it's basically how to create a table, just a simple table using a workbench. So now we have to start creating the table, creating the schema name, which is the database name, and me here I'll just create mine employee data. And second, we have to use the data name, which is employee. We have to use it in order to be accessible. So we have to create now. Okay, as you can see, it's already created, successful. And if you refresh, you can see from there, from the schema. So now we have to execute to use it, so it's already there. So we have to now create our table. So now our table, for create table employee data. And now for me, I can be putting in short form, which is employee, and my piece now working. I have to copy that and paste it here, which is data. Okay, and then we put brackets, enter inside, go, terminate from there. So going to start putting those, start by the ID. ID, which is an int. Go to the next, and employee name, which is int name. Okay, this is a var character. I put 22. Then position is also a var character. And for 35, go to the registration number. We just put in reg. This is a var character. Okay, int. Then we execute that. It's successful. Then we refresh. We find the table is already there. Let's see what is inside. You see the things that we have been putting is already ID, name, position, and so now we have to go and insert now the values. The values are ID, name, position, and rank. So now put insert into table, which is in data. I have to import the tables there. We copy. Copying, me, I always tell people copying is really good. Like if you're making, you copy, you put there instead of just writing. Sometimes you find you write, you thought maybe it's correct, but it's having maybe spelling issue, so it's good to copy and paste. So we put values. Okay, copy this and we paste instead of many. Okay, terminate. Alright, now the ID, this one. Secondly, the name, employee name, we go for John. Me, I can put John Smith. Okay, John Smith. And put the position. I can put something like software engineer. Okay, then the next, oh, I forgot the rec I have to include there. Okay, comma, registration. Okay, put this one. You put any your of your choice. It's your choice to it. Okay, secondly, the name, I put Emily Johnson. Doing the position, P I put again project manager. All right, then go to the registration number. All right, oh, second, third, we're going to the third person. Michael Davis. Then it's data analyst. Okay, then we put our registration number. Good. The fourth person will be Sarah Thompson. Okay, that's good. Then UI UX designer. Okay, fifth, but Jessica, it's two names. Jessica Brown, system analyst or system administrator. Yeah. Okay. All right, number 6, we are almost there. I'm running out of words. Emma Jessie, this one, IT support. Benjamin. Okay. Cyber security. business analyst. Then the last one, which is number 10, will be Eva Anderson. That's our last one. All right, we have finished putting our values inside. Then we have to highlight all, then run the query. There's a problem, so let me fix this problem. Okay, so I need to drop this table. Drop it. It's like deleting it, so I have to do it again because of some changes. So run again, creating table, refresh, insert the values. Okay, refresh, and we want to see the table. And the table we select, we put select stuff from the table name. We just table name, which is that table imp data. Just copy and paste it here. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, just terminate, then run the query. Voila, you find everything is already here: position, ID name, and registration number. So now the next one we refresh, you can find in the table the schema you want from there. It's already there, so everything is already there. And guys, thank you for, I hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe my video.